This is the JLR Innovation Dashboard. It's an interactive tool that enables managers to see relative and absolute improvements in cost, quality, and time to market, internally and benchmarked against competitors. It's split into two tiers, the corporate and operational. Let's look at the corporate tier first. The corporate tier is intended to summarize the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the NPD process. It's a retrospective, high-level view of innovation at JLR, building from our conceptual framework and divided across cost, quality, and time. It displays the KPIs we determined were most important. It shows the most current data, comparable against a 5-year average, and, where available, displays JLR's position relative to competitors. The dotted line here indicates the industry average for a given KPI, whilst the length of the red or green bar indicates how closely they approach the worst or best in class. For context, best in class figures are displayed here. Adjacent to the corporate box is a drop-down menu, which allows you to select KPIs for comparison. For instance, here we have the number of patents granted per £1 billion spend in R&D versus R&D headcount as a percentage of total headcount. Next, let's examine the operational tier of the dashboard. It's intended to allow the user to feel the pulse of the organization. Continuously updatable, it displays operational metrics for a given model year. A model year is defined as the new vehicle models launched that year. It follows the same logic as the corporate box, dividing metrics across their impact on quality, cost, or time. Users can select a specific model year from a drop-down menu, and they can also see the measure associated with each KPI. The percentage by which the KPI has missed or exceeded its target is displayed as a data bar, and then, to the right, as a percentage figure. Zooming out for a second, you can see we've included 3 model year tables here to be able to get a quick comparative grasp of changes in performance per model year. Below this are example operational charts currently filled with dummy data. They compare past, current, and future model years to show individual KPIs and whether or not they're improving over time. Take part commonality percentage as an example. It details how many parts are common across the entire year's vehicle models. Targets have been missed for all 3 years by 50%. Yet the graph shows us that absolute part commonality percentage is increasing over time. Thus, JLR is improving, but not at the rate it wishes to. This is just a taste of the insights the dashboard provides. The JLR Innovation Dashboard thus enables managers to see relative and absolute improvements across the golden triangle of QCT, both internally and externally. As well, it's designed to fit on one A4 sheet of paper, so it can be easily brought into a planning meeting to make important decisions on how to improve the NPD process.